Hi Amit.
Hi.
How was the breakfast beef experience today?
So I think the experience was fantastic. I think it's a very good opportunity to connect with the fellow industry people and know about different brands, what are their marketing experiences, what are they doing out in the market, especially at the time when festival is coming up. So I think it's a very good opportunity and we should do this quite often and connect with fellow industry members.
One idea or insight you're taking back from this session?
Well, I think we spoke a lot about trust as one of the main topic, and we heard about different experiences from different people, from different personals coming from different brands, quite high-end brands like Godrej. I think from where I come from in Oberoi Realty, also trust is a very important factor. So we keep on building, the trust in the minds of consumers. So that is one of the most important factors I think I would take back today.
For this festive season, what's one way marketers can reinforce trust with their audiences?
We are having a very different approach at Oberoi Realty. We are doing is not push strategy and pull strategy. So through our digital mediums, especially through our social media, we are using brand stories, videos to target the right audiences. We are targeting the right demographies. We are not out there to, offer promotions or discounts or something like that because customer know who Oberoi Realty is. That's the quality that we develop and build. They know the trust that, it's there in the brand from many number of years. So customers are like, waiting for the right time, right opportunity for us. It's like in a position like we are out there, we do very minimal branding on BTL, but the ATL is very high. We don't use too many images like, family images and all that because that's not what we do. We keep on developing and running our brand stories and videos. That's the way we are going forward.
One word that sums up breakfast brief for you.
Very interactive, very engaging. I think we should definitely do this very frequently. I would really say thank you to you guys who have arranged the whole event together and brought all the industry people together. This was excellent.